Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In this one guys, I'll show you to make your WhatsApp private. So of course, if you want to make your WhatsApp private so as it doesn't give out any unnecessary information, you're going to go ahead and follow this guide. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and launch WhatsApp. All right, so we're going to launch WhatsApp. Once you're in WhatsApp, guys, you need to go to the settings. So go ahead and tap, go to settings. I advise that you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And the first thing you want to go, guys, is in terms of the latest update is to go to account. You're going to go to under account, go to username. And if you're not already, make sure that you have a set username in place. So go ahead and set a username. You can always come in here and hit edit if it's already set and change your username. And your username is @ all right? And of course, what's going to happen is that your username is going to be used instead of your actual number, which will critically increase your privacy on WhatsApp. So even if you had set up with your number, you can actually hide your number by using a username, and your username will be @ WhatsApp. As time goes on, it will be used more and more as the feature is established. So in the early stages, go ahead and secure your username or your unique username, right, @ WhatsApp. All right, so once that's set, go by a username versus your actual number. All right, the next thing for privacy is to go to the option that says privacy here. Now under here, go ahead, last seen online. You want to set that to, as you can see here, nobody. When can see, who can see when I'm online. All right, so it's the same as the last seen, so nobody can actually see. And this will increase your privacy in terms of your information as to when you were last online. Your profile picture, you have about, which is your profile, your links, your status. Now what you want to do here is to set these to, for example, your profile picture. Those in your contacts can see that. Last seen online, as I said, nobody. About, you can set these to actually to my contacts. So my contacts is the preferred. However, the highest security in terms of preventing anyone from seeing. If you want nobody to see the information, set it to nobody. But you can also set my contacts, which is the middle ground, or my contacts, and you can have exceptions like specific people who will not be able to see or about. So it depends on you. For the average user, my contacts are those in your contacts should be able to see that. Status, use my contacts as well. Links, my contacts. All right. You can turn off read receipts as another privacy. So of course those blue ticks, so no one can tell when you have read, but it goes both ways. So if you turn it off, you won't be able to see it for others as well. But of course, I recommend, depending on the situation, to turn those off. You can have your default messaging timer as the disappearing message, or turn it off together. All right, and you'll see other options here. You can set app lock or chat lock specifically. And of course, that's about it in terms of your privacy. All right, so that's it. And those are the main settings that you need to tweak. And I'll end this tutorial here. Hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.